Why can't you just cut steel to match the exact dimensions of a concrete beam? Because bending thick rebar forcibly alters its total length. That's why engineers need the cutting length formula. Let's calculate the exact straight steel required for a main bottom bar with two 90-degree bends. First, you establish the clear span of the concrete beam. That goes into the formula. Next, you add the hook details. The formula needs extra length on both ends for the vertical segments anchoring into the concrete. But here is the spatial geometry problem. If you just add the straight span and those two anchors together, the final bent bar ends up way too long to actually fit inside the beam. When forced into a corner, the outer curve of the steel physically stretches outward. So the formula must subtract a specific bend deduction for every 90-degree turn to compensate. The complete math? The straight span plus the two anchor lengths minus the two elongation deductions. Because you factored in the exact physics of the stretching metal, that mathematically calculated piece of straight steel is finally ready. It's cut to the millimeter, bent twice, and drops perfectly into place inside the concrete beam.